Gentlemen in the mix.
Welcome to the stream where the market activity continues. We got meme coins doing things. We got Ethereum starting the stream with at $3,800, up almost 4% today after that, 16% close yesterday. Freaking crazy. And let's just do it. Welcome to my home. All right. Well, I still wait on the other monitors to come in. We're waiting, dude. Okay. Temporary thing, but it's not too bad as an alternative setup, right? You get a little bit more intimate with me. Okay, so can y'all hear me? Can we get an audio check? Make sure everything's good. This laptop, eventually have to get a new one, man. Like the sound card is so royally effed up. Things are just starting. I mean, this is a 2018 laptop. I've had it for that long, so I have to get y'all's help on the audio and stuff and everything else. So going for one of your, it's going to be the highest close since mid-March with a 4-hour. Gotta love how the buyers defended 3 times 2,900 before this huge rally. Going to be taking out the highs from early April, late March. Here's your daily. It was something out of a dream, wasn't it? When they were just, yesterday's first stream, right? We were just staring at it, testing that level before the break, and that target was 3,500, and they just hot knife through butter. Wow. Ethereum went nuts, but you gotta understand, like, Ethereum doing this is so good for so many altcoins. Like, hold on, sorry. Just getting comfortable. This is not a Herman Miller chair at all. This is a bar chair, so happy to have some lumbar support, but it's not the greatest for streaming. Okay, yeah, this is just incredible for all those setups, all those harmonics, and then I just was kind of scanning through some lesser thans, some jokes that I just haven't looked at in a while, and Mother of God, man, found a plethora of different M shapes completing. It was great, man. And so those were, if you're in the Patreon, you were pinged on those all last night. So this is just kind of the story of the day, is Ethereum continuing to ascend. And there's really just nothing here till $4,000. I just don't know why you're not going to see $4,000. That's just $200 more at this point. What difference does it make? Said somebody. At this point, what difference does it make? All right, so since we started out on Ethereum, let's go further into crypto. Bitcoin, right? Cooling its jets after that fantastic run yesterday up to overhead resistance and down sloping resistance. Look, we talk about it. This is a general consensus area where multiple market participants might have some sell orders, and they certainly did, and that's okay. We also discussed the idea that maybe a formal back test of 69K was in the cards. Dude, they got it to 69,150, so they didn't even back test the former all-time high from November 9th, 10th of 2021. So that's just, oh my God, that was scary. Wow, thank you, Kool-Aid Man. Thank you so much. So I just think, like, yeah, you might have a completed W shape here too, an 886. So it could be a bearish shark or bearish cipher of sorts, but any pullback I think will be temporary. Any pullback will be a higher low, substantially higher low than 60,000. You'll pivot, make that higher low, and run later. So it's a sooner or later situation, IMO, for an all-time high on Bitcoin. All right. Don't forget what they're doing. Nothing makes sense anymore.
What's the next level of resistance on Ethereum?
Mr. Singh, I thought we talked about that. $4,000. $4,020. Is that a joint? No. A red resistance. Thank you, Mr. Singh. Right? Maybe you're asking above that. Well, unfortunately, there's just all kinds of stuff, right? There's 4,000. All right, that is psychological. It is an overhead resistance from September 2021. Then just above that's 4,179, which is a candle high close from May 2021 and goes all the way up to the wick high at 43.84. That would be confluent with a major, previous cycle top to the bottom, 88% retrace, where we know that's extreme premium you'd be paying to own that up there. That's 4,400, and then just above 4,400 is 4,800. So I wish it was smooth sailing. Bitcoin's closer to smooth sailing than Ethereum based on technical levels. But that's it, right? 4,020, 4,180, 43.84, and then 44.99. And then above that, 5,000, the big psychological $5,000. I will eventually, once we hit 5,000, I think it'll probably happen at some point, I will mint the NFT that was never minted, still sitting in my freaking computer storage. All right. I think we were gonna, we were ready to go. It never happened, but I think this time it will. It's going to happen. It will happen. Not chugs. I mean, again, it's my choice on what type. As long as it's 1 3/4 ounces of alcohol, I can do it. It can be a shot, but I will do it. I just don't. It's just really tough, man. When you're like working out and you're eating right and your macros are good and you are being really strict, it's just harder to get to that. And then it's like, you take the shot and you feel all kind of for the rest of the day. It's kind of, I don't know, man. I get it though. I will do it. Got my word. Okay, so there you go, Mr. Singh. Bitcoin will go to the Tether chart just to look at the Wyckoff reaccumulation schematic that is just nearing the top. I think you'll see 72,879 soon. No idea if we're going to break it very soon, but nevertheless, again, any pullback that happens, I think will conclude with the highest low, possibly literally ever, right? If market participants, if we do sell off some more, whatever, I think it'll be a higher low than 64,856, which I think is, here's the record, right? I mean, there's never been a low that's higher than this one that they put in early April. Right, of all the swing lows, this was the best, the highest. So if we stay above that, I think, 83,000 was a Fibonacci number. Just remember, they are destroying your purchasing power, and they are destroying it at the fastest rate since the Allies created the New World Order after World War II. It's never been this bad, okay? And it's only going to rapidly get worse. So you want to own financial instruments that are going to keep up with inflation or just outright outrun them. And Bitcoin, I think, certainly would be a good candidate to say that it will outrun inflation like crazy. It already has, right? Yeah. What's up, Metaverse on Twitch, dudes? Good to see you. I don't know if anyone else is watching over there. Thanks for that. Anyone else? I don't know, man. Everyone's on YouTube. I mean, I don't know if the restreaming thing. Hey, there's Bald Eagle on Twitter. It's Paul Revere. Okay. Nice patriotic name. Yeah, okay. So there's just a bunch of YouTubers in here. So the sun's getting to go down. We've got probably an hour and a half till that happens. So yeah, it's just unfortunate. I mean, I love my backdrop at night, but it's sunlight till frickin' 8:30, maybe 9 p.m. It's kind of a joke. Sub Lofty Sauce on Twitch. Okay, so just make sure you understand what's happening. I think it's Wyckoff reaccumulation with spring action and 83K, 90 plus K, 100K. Seems almost imminent with what they're doing to your Bitcoin's paired to US dollar, and that is terrible. I don't give a crap what they say. They're going to gaslight you. Imagine acting like they hadn't been gaslighting you since 2020 on almost everything. So, okay, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana got wrecked today, for the pullback. It almost looks like it didn't even happen. Like, it's like, what, that's down 4-5%? Huh? Who cares? You shouldn't care. It's just the Ethereum show now. These things happen. BNB, though, breakout, man. Okay, that is also a pretty notable event today. It was last night. Very, very late last night. Pinged on the breakout, pretty much. So you got the symmetrical triangle here. 620, 638. No break of that yet. That's a major level from history. It's a old all-time high from April of 2021. And, locally, March 12th and mid-April, it's been a reversal point. So possibly absorbing the remaining supply. I would not be getting in the way of this if I was a short seller. Holy crap. Trend's friend, animal spirits in this one. Yeah, the 676, the all-time high looms. I would not be surprised if we see this soon. All right, so have your alert set up on BNB, and they triggered my alert. my alert was a resistance, man. Yeah, so Bitcoin, we're in power hour. Nice little recovery off the lows. The sell-off subsided once Wall Street closed. We got as low as, again, 69,150, but now find ourselves right back above $70,000. 36 minutes till the daily close, man. So BNB, all-time highs, seems probable. And then we go to Sol to just look at it. It's an utter shambles, man. Completely destroyed. Oh no. Trading above 171 is what matters most to you. It's just a reversal point from 2021 a couple times. Not really that big a deal. It's been a support too in March. You're just on the way. You can't have green days every single day. So, and they pull this one back. Limited amount, a finite amount of capital in this space. And all that money just went into Ethereum, ENS, and just a couple others. All right, so the 12-hour dragon into inverse head and shoulders, still playing out. 196 is the formal first target of that trade setup that was posted back at the beginning of the month. Inverse sell-in may go away, buy-in may go away until profit-taking level achieved, right? That's the saying. Higher prices if you have enough patience and time for Sol. 216 probably on deck too. All right, Sol, and then XRP that had a nice rally today. It's up, man. Still sucks. Compared to others, it's terrible. It's actually down. Why? I thought it was up today. It was up. My God, man. It was at 55.6 cents. Now it's at... All right, so enjoy the XRP chart. Enjoy this garbage price action for 7 years now. Get me out of here. Just no thank you. Utility token, fine. Render a service between banks, but investment vehicle... Yield vehicle? Nah, nope. Nope. Better assets. And it's proven. It's empirical evidence. Better assets than XRP to own. Okay. And trade. Certainly. So those are the more major coins. Let's see what I can... let's look at ENS real quick. Just what a day. Up 21.69%. Working on its highest daily candle close since April 8th. Wow, you know, there was an M shape, but not too much more. I mean, there was no type 2 return or anything. It would have been really tough to, you know, have an amazing setup here outside of just scalping at the 886, which it never even hit the 886. So, yeah, maybe this is the whole bottoming base, and, you know, if they ever break $28, that's where huge markups could be occurring. Looks like the trend has begun to reverse with the M shape. Right, well, that's a characteristic that we have not seen at all on ENS ever. Right, when has ENS ever made consecutive higher highs, higher lows? Never until the M shape. So you could imagine a higher high coming in than the previous high, which was like $30. Interesting look. Okay. Another top gainer today was ENJ, hitting the 200 simple moving average for the first time since April 24th. And a breakout happened yesterday, and some great and a bullish engulfing candle confirmed, and the follow through today. You are right at the neckline of that double bottom, potential double bottom, about to be confirmed if they can close above it, 35.8 cents. Max upside potential. You have to understand, eventually, I think you'll see 67 cents again. I think you'll probably see 73 plus cents. This was a dream of all dreams. You can't even make this up. It's like it was hand delivered to you on a silver platter, the framework for risk management and increased probability of up next, not down, value, everything, man. And there were a few of these, but this one just, it looked so good I had to tweet about it. And now, you know, since that tweet, it's up about 6 cents. Really nice stuff. Okay, this is TA being respected out the gate. Well, we got some ENJs in the chat, man. I don't know. Is chat dead today? Probably. Can't surprise me, man. We'll see. Whoa, what the heck, man? Lagging. That's crazy. Not dead yet? I don't know, man. Is this working? Okay, it's still fine. Just paying attention, okay? Just trading Pepe. All right. Well, we got. Let me just take a look at Loop Ring that had. There you go. A very similar setup, right near at the basement, but higher lows being confirmed. M shape completing at the 88%. It's beautiful. It's like an 886 Gartley, type 1, type 2 possibly. Look like a Momo shift locally. All kinds of little things you could have said it might have been, right? Take out that little wick there, and it's just 1, 2, and like 3 kind of. It is very similar to others, Filecoin and the likes of Engine, Hot. Yeah, they're just Uniswap was 1. Okay.
Crypto Bravo tipped $25 with 3 rising valleys. Daily looking prime for upside. Long here?
I think if you were going to do it, it might have been yesterday, right? Cat with hat. It wasn't quite 3 rising valleys because your second peak wasn't higher than the first peak. So we are going to be virtually, like, technically pedantic in this situation, right? What is it? Technical analysis, pedantry or something? Anyway, but yeah, classic accumulation was there. We'll certainly look at cat with hat like we did yesterday, and it was great. The loop ring staring at you. I mean, targets 43 cents, eventually 55 cents. You won't believe it when it gets there. And don't come crying to me about buying now or whatever you should do when the price gets back to these levels and possibly even higher. Don't come crying to me. WRX, they're holding this level. It's pretty amazing to see. Now we just need some. I mean, the target is 31 cents from here. You get it? WRX. I mean, this is a true buyer defense of 19-20 cents. You're talking 40% upside, 39% upside, whatever. Okay. We're just sitting there. Bullish engulfing candle yesterday at support and follow through today, recapturing the 200 simple moving average right here. You can see it. It's not an opinion. It's just happening. CRV off that support, catching a bid, right? The bullish engulfing candle catching fall through. I mean, short term, I mean, your target would be 53.7 cents above that, and we'll have something to talk about. All right, yeah, you got to break that after hitting a key level. This is very, very real support. KAS, remember the breakout of the falling wedge, the bullish engulfing candle yesterday, catch and fall through, recapturing the 200 moving average yesterday. Very nice, going for the highest daily candle close since April 11th. Very nice, and a 100% measured move of this falling wedge would be at 19 cents, which is just virtually the high, right? The top of the pattern. That's just kind of the way it's set up here. Long-term uptrend, bullish pattern, and bullish trend. Can't be surprised if we see those levels in time.
Thanks for all you do, Mitch. Can you check out $SPA? Got in at 0.008.
In pay, thank you for the $20 super chat. Your first super chat literally ever. Hi in the chat for people that are contributing for the first time to this 100% crowdsourced stream. It's because of people like you that I'm able to do this, so I appreciate that. But at the same time, I hope you get it. Like, if you like this stream and you've watched this stream for years, think about how many minutes and hours of your life I have saved you by not subjecting you to any advertising at all. No YouTube ads. My monetization's off. I'm playing copyright music, so I can't do it. But I do. It's monetization's off by choice. So just know that when you're watching this stream for free and enjoying it, remember, I'm not doing what literally everyone else out there on YouTube and Twitch is doing by taking that sweet AdSense money every month. Not me. Nope, just y'all. It's literally just y'all. No affiliate marketing link shoved down your throat. Nothing. So thank you, dude. Okay. J Nathan. Thank you, dudes. 199 red thumbs up. All right, Cass, incredible, setting up for higher prices by the looks of it with a breakout yesterday, confirmed with follow through today. Uniswap, what a dream, man. At session highs, at its highest high since April 11th. We're talking 5+ week highs as I'm speaking to you, and you can't say the M shape wasn't there. It didn't, I mean, that value perceived area. Oh, the news, dude, the highest low of an entire uptrend, and at the deepest value perceived area, April 14th. Come on, man. Come on.
Just cause not all donos need a request. Thanks for the knowledge and keep up the hard work. #Kangs.
Shoot, Anonymous. Not during the dead times. Not on days and weeks, many weeks when Ethereum's not doing this. There's always something in it. Okay? But so I really appreciate that, man, for just the contribution to the stream, dude. Much love. Okay? Yeah, I mean, Rolex levels, $19, $20 up there. Dude, it's setting up for that. Okay, I just hope you know. That was some serious FUD. The Wells notice, whatever, just so they could complete the M shape and your highest low. Just wait, man. The $13 to $14 is your immediate targets. That zone, just to retest it again, all right? Once they break it, the sky's the limit. By the end of this cycle, we could see $30 Uniswap. That means like, oh, well, you might need to wait, 3 to 6 to 9 months. All right. All right. So Dogecoin was up a lot more earlier, right? A little bit more anyway. Whatever. You can call it an M shape. It's there. You don't have to have the M shape. It almost just reminds me. It's like somehow a continuation fractal, like where we see this at reversals. Kind of like where it's like, oh, it's natural gas. Remember, flip it over. It's like natural gas, and and Terra Luna and the XLY, right, on the bullish side as a reversal, but this is almost a continuation fractal. One low, then the second low is the inverse head and shoulders, and you're thinking probably 34 cents if this plays out. 34 to 35 cents eventually on Doge. Yeah, I know, it's hilarious. Yeah. Avalanche, incredible. Breakout, watch. Breakout, warning. We have 23 minutes till a confirmed daily breakout above a very key level that would, I think, probably take Avalanche up to $50. This is not a joke, man. This is a major reversal point from 2021, and look what they're doing. You got a well-established uptrend. You got a bullish pattern and a bullish trend. You got a triple bottom, inverse head and shoulders looking A. And that breach is going on right now. I'm covering it live with you. You're here for some value. Here's your value. Just letting you know what's happening, bro. Okay. I would say $50 target just to be conservative here. We're talking about the swing high from Christmas Eve 2023. If they break that, the more aggressive target's $60, right? A and C gets the TNA, or TNA gets the CNA. Wait, what is it? The CNA gets the TNA. Yes, the targets. All right. Bitcoin's at 70,364. Power hour has been very favorable to Bitcoin. Good little rally going on. I mean, you know, maybe we're going to be seeing another test of 71,300, 71,800 soon. Okay. And great. So much demand going on right now. It's crazy. Beautiful. These are set up for much higher prices. I've been here when no one was watching, just what, like 3 days ago. These structures have been identified. We're sitting here in our chairs and we're waiting for resolution. Or, you know, resolution can mean failure too, and the failure's not coming. It's looking like, oh, these things are going to play out positively for us. All right. Hot, another beautiful M shape. Just waiting on resolution, whether it fails or succeeds. Bullish and golden candle yesterday. They're recapturing the 200 moving average today with some follow through off the candle from yesterday. Waiting for 3.7 tenths of 1 cent, 4.2 tenths of 1 cent. Is that 4.2 tenths of 1 joint? It might be. Yeah. Yep. Great look. Highest low of uptrend. Value perceived area in the uptrend. It doesn't get much better than this. The structure could have been a little bit better down here, but this is set up for higher prices, chat. Just saying. Here I am. Filecoin. Same thing. Just sitting here, waiting for resolution, waiting for bullish breakout at 641, waiting for $8, waiting for $9.50. Highest low of entire uptrend. Bull trend, chat. So much demand that the sellers are just unable to I mean, you know, you got one test on that crazy April 13th day. And it was just barely for a minute probably. And ever since then, look at this. The sellers right here, they cannot test. That is a very, very subtle sign of strength. IMO in this situation. These are market participants. Accidentally, they can't help it but show their hand. There is too much demand to test that key level from history that, remember, it was a former really successful trade setup here. It's just, this is what TA is all about, man. So I would not be surprised if we see 950 soon or in time, given enough patience. If you have the patience, you'll see 950 again on Filecoin off this beautiful, beautiful M shape. Whether you call it a bat or a Gartley, because the 56% retraced, 886 on D. It is a work of art. IMO. I think if you're patient, you'll get what you want, which is higher prices. Okay. K and Say got a kind of weird looking type 2 because of the insanity. It's like the type 1 played out beautifully, but then it crashed, and here we are back to the basement. But it really is a certified type 2 return of a bullish bat Gartley. I'd say a bit more closer to a bat. Kind of similar to what we were just looking at on Filecoin structure. Yeah, one test, and look, so much demand that the sellers are unable to test 49.85 cents again. You can clearly see it is not, there's no controversy. That's the level. That's where the trading range began, November 9th, 2022. They can't test it anymore because there's too many buyers. So that's pretty strong. I mean, that's a subtle sign of strength. IMO. Okay. And then we're just going to look at DOT because I think this is one of the best looking setups out there because of the consolidation structure at the pattern completion zone of the sim shape. You can't make this up, dude. This is one of your most recent trade setups posted. I think we posted this the setup May 17th, and now breaking the slanted neckline of the small inverse head and shoulders pattern, bullish engulfing candle yesterday, and yesterday recapturing the 200 simple moving average, and today going for a little bit of follow through to confirm the engulfing candle and back testing the 200 simple moving average as support. I mean, that's a lot of good things that I'm saying. That's like really good, man. And your target is $960, $10+ on DOT. That's a lot of upside. That's life-changing upside. And just remember, these things resolve positively and they play out. We're not going to have these opportunities anymore. And more people will be watching this stream, which is really sad. DOT's going to be at $10. Filecoin will be at $9.50. All these coins will be at way higher prices, and I won't be able to tell you much. And people about what should we do? And it's like, I don't know. Maybe go touch grass because these setups have been here and they've been actionable. What have you been effing doing? Screwing around. So patience and moon soon. Okay, just kind of going through. Tezos, same situation. Just beautiful M shape completing. Highest low of new uptrend. And that highest low happened to back test the key inflection point from history pretty much perfectly from 2019. And a little wedge, you broke out, you back tested. Kind of similar situation to DOT. Tezos. The weekly trade setup was 170, that target, and it got to 160, and just Bitcoin crapped out. So, but yeah, this is a new setup one could participate in if they were willing. So another one that's just in a similar situation where you will really wish. I'm telling you, when these things are up 40, 50, 100% from where they are right now, you're going to wish we were here right now again.
You're one of the best out there. Real trading, the way it should be done. Appreciate you. Is this one of those days you will be looking back to saying, where were you in May when these were setting up? Keep it up.
This is a textbook example of, if you're here right now, you might be, whatever. The sun's starting to set, so we might do a sunset stream. If you haven't noticed, I have got the new webcam, the 1080p webcam. It's much clearer view. So probably get better everything. Might get some nighttime stream going on. But yeah, this is certainly a time. This should go down in history as like, you have opportunities to long altcoins. You've had opportunities. Get wrecked, dude. You've had like a week plus.
Mayor of Greenbow, thanks for not rage quitting. Could you look at big time please? Your efforts and work are much appreciated. Cannot wait to see the dump money return. Baba Buoy, Boomazuna.
Thank you, Eric Clapton. Sorry about the stupid German accent. It's terrible. Thank you, man. We will look at that. Yes, dude. Much love. Member Zero Rex, dude. I think you remember Eric Clapton. Yeah, it's wild. It literally is wild because this is like right now. You're an astronomer, right? You know the analogy I make about the comet going around the solar system, and once every 20 years, once every 6 months, once every 6 weeks, whatever, the comet comes around. And when you can see the comet visibly with the naked eye, with telescope, the closer the comet is to Earth, the most optimum it will be for risk management, right? Tight stop losses with the maximum upside, with the probability increased, elevated, that up next, if we're looking at an asset in an uptrend completing these patterns right now. So these are high reliability patterns. You will see. You may not believe it now. I don't really give a crap. For me, this is like the 20th rerun plus we've done of this since I started. So someone would say it's magic. I said, no, it's just the same thing. It's the cycles, man. Okay. Anyway, ApeCoin too. I mean, it's down here in the basement of basements. You can't even look. March 2022, there it was. This is possibly a type 2 return of the bullish butterfly here. I mean, it's kind of garbage, dude, but you cannot say this is, and seeing these extension patterns, the speed at which they catch up with everything is light speed. It's crazy. Like, I remember just kind of maybe it was like, let's say KSM was a great example of one of these extension patterns where it just blew up. Let me just show you real quick. They tend to do that. Look how freaking insane this one was down here. Well, you had this one. This one was a dream, right? You had the same thing. It was a crab pattern, type 2 return at supports, and then blew up. But then, same thing, created another M shape, right? There was another one here. Yeah, the butterfly. This one didn't quite get to 1272. But yeah, look how these things, when they get down here, look at that. I mean, talk about once it finally started reversing. I mean, it went 290% in 69 days or so. Wow. And this one's possibly looking okay. Look, they've recaptured the September 2020 low. There's probably upside to $43 on this one. That's a lot of upside. So, all right. What's up, SH?
SH Sleaze 718 super chatted $49.99. Hey bro, can you take a look at V?
Yeah, we will certainly.
You're one of the best out there.
Oh boy.
Real trading,
Sorry.
the way it should be done.
I don't know why it does that.
Appreciate you.
Thank you. I'm trying to mess with the webcam. As the sun goes down, I have to configure the video. All right, let's see. Exposure, more exposure. There we go. All right, looking better. Yeah, perfect. All right, let's go back. Carl H, thank you so much, dude, for the 20. We will get Ton. I don't know what Ton is. I mean, I know what Tron is, certainly. Just not Ton. About Tauntauns. Okay. So I think we looked at enough S coins around. Let's just real quick look at Nvda. Nvda did it, man. The highest daily candle close in human history as earnings is on deck for tomorrow. So some Jesus chimes, play it in your head. Never seen a 953.86 close. The previous all-time high close was 950.02. We did it, man. The market driver. This will be #1 market cap in the world one day. You will see. Summit. This is Miami, man. Okay, we're in Miami. This is where kings go when they choose the alternative life to wife and kids. Okay. All right, so Nvidia, great stuff. Let's just look at the spider so you can see it. Microsoft also hit an all-time high. Here it is, S&P 500. Play your Jesus chimes, the highest daily candle close literally ever. Hype in the freaking chat. Dow Jones, though, not the same situation. After that red candle yesterday, it recovered a little bit. Whatever. One of the highest closes ever. Nasdaq Composite, so you can see it in all its glory. There it is, the highest price ever, the highest candle close ever. Hype in the chat. IWM, just for memes, we'll look at it. Whatever, dude, just sitting at resistance. Cool story, bro. Not really concerned. Don't really give a crap about it. 41% of assets that make up the Russell 2000 are negative earnings quarterly. You have one job as a company, and it's to make money, to make a service, create a service, product, goods, and then turn a profit. And then you're saying 41% of the company's that make up the Russell 2000 don't do that. They're just losers. Yeah, no thanks. So get wrecked, dude. Okay. Microsoft, just for the look real quick. I know we got some requests we'll look at. Here it was. It was the highest daily close ever. Very, very close to that 1.618, 433.70. You never got there, but you got to 433.02, so you were literally cents away from the golden mean ratio, the major one. That's crazy, man. All right, they're doing things. My personality is contagious. I don't know. Someone told me I need to work on my personality if I want more viewers and more subs. So I guess I'm still working on that, okay? Still working. All right. What is requests world? I guess we look at like Apple real quick. We'll look at a couple of these big boys, and then we'll get those requests. And we'll get like gold and silver too. Here's Apple, highest daily candle close since January 25th. They're roaring higher. 195.67 is that 886 where you might see a reaction because of a completed shark pattern. So we've had one of those before. Yeah, we certainly did. A nice rally, the continuation after that earnings beat. Very, very good. A breakaway. See, I don't even know. That's a lot of volume, though. Yeah, that's kind of a possibly a breakaway gap where you won't be filling that gap anytime soon. Highest volume seen on the last earnings since, I'm pretty sure October 2022, which was pretty much a bottom as well. So good stuff, man, on Apple. Could be going for the promised land in the coming months. Yeah. All right, Apple, Microsoft, let's go Amazon real quick. Remember that just last week made an all-time highs, but has kind of just been lulling around, milling around. Yeah, down 0.21%. Yeah, gap down, rallied, didn't even fill the gap. Really, it was very close, but nah, 188.66. Trading at the same price you were trading at in 2021, not really great, huh? Yeah. Apple too. You've been holding this for years, and with dividends. All right. Amazon, Microsoft, Google that just has been doing so well. Another all-time high close. I mean, looks like you're breaking out of a channel. I mean, we'll see. A lot of times, they break these channels and they up thrust through them and they don't last long before they fall back in and run to the bottom of the channel. So, but either way, rejoice. The highest level in human history on Google, driving the market higher. Remember, you've got Nvda reporting earnings after the market close tomorrow. That will make or break a lot on this market. So,
good evening, Mitch. Mind looking at TechIon Msft?
Satan Slayer, I certainly mind. Okay, I mind. What would happen? Dang, man, that sun looks beautiful. Kidding me, dude? Y'all need to see this with the better camera. Bueller. Oh, wow. It's something else, man. I guess it's time to change the whole view or something. Yeah. Something like this. Wow, that's crazy. I don't know if it's being blocked or not.
Good evening, Mitch. Mind looking at TechIon Msft?
Oh my god, dude, I hate that. I can't have two overlays. I don't understand. Like, you're a streaming platform. People are gonna have different overlays. Why is it like that? Always. It's always been like that. It's so annoying. Changing scenes. Let's see. See if we can get this going real quick. Here it is. Nice. It's not bad. Oh, it's even better like that, right? That's the best, actually. Crazy enough. Okay, we'll just do the stream like this. All right. Can y'all hear me? Anyway. Yeah, that's the best it's gonna be. What I can do, though, is this, like we did yesterday. Oh, yeah. Hi. Wow, it zooms in a lot better now, too. A lot more, a lot better. Okay. So, we had requests, man. We have to look at some requests here. I'm in the chat from Matt S. I see you, dude. That's awesome. Oh, you went dog with hat, not cat with hat. I got you, dude. Okay, WIF, dog with hat. I think it's my memes. Yeah, down 2.5%. It's hanging in there, man. I mean, this is still valid. I mean, it went lower, but yeah, I'm thinking it could have gone lower. That bullish engulfing candle, if they hold it above 245 long enough, man, I think you're okay. I think it's still fine. And I think they're a better. I think Wojak's a better asset to own. S-coin meme, based on the technicals. Maybe Doge is better. But yeah, this one's kind of okay still. All right. Pepe though, you cannot compete with Pepe. We're another all-time high. It's look on the 8s right now, but man. 1414 fib extension being broken right now, and never before has the price been this high. It's Pepe coin, okay? In the end, it all made sense. Of course you buy Pepe the Frog. Probably the most powerful meme on Earth. Right? That Pepe is meta for memes, so whatever. But dude, GME, bro, we were gonna change the world. Nah, I mean, if you were gonna be a memer, that's probably it. I mean, they might fill a gap, you might get lucky and goes lower, but dude, if you're playing this joke, there's probably nothing wrong with this down here. Like, okay, I'm gonna start taking, like, layering in on the joke here. If you wanted to play the joke, not up here, not in between, maybe at supports, maybe at gap fills, whatever. Maybe it's 16, but you're getting close enough to where, yeah, 10%, 10%, 10% instead of whatever you had to allocate to this, you would just layer in. As it kept going lower, keep layering in incremental amounts if you want to play jokes like this, okay? Say another meme joke. It's terrible, dude. It's terrible. I don't even know about this one. This is a tepid off-brand meme. All right, meh. No thanks. All right, back to more requests. 10 seconds to the daily close. We're about to have the highest close on Ethereum in a long time. Before we go to these more of these requests, we'll just honor the daily close. There it is. Jesus chimes. Highest daily candle close confirmed since March 14th. Hype in the chat. No resistance till 4,020. Is that a joint? No, just overhead resistance from history. That's it. Beautiful couple days. 20%, 19.23% yesterday, 3.5% today. Wonderful. After the buyers defended for the third time the other key level where there was a lot of downside if they didn't hold, but they did. They did it, man. Wow. Okay. Look at Bitcoin on the close just for, you know, we're doing it, man. Local on the 8s. This is what happens at the Weather Channel on Local on the 8s. They go back to your local forecast, which is Bitcoin Ethereum. Oh, wait. Y'all are over here. Wait. Sorry. It kind of just looks good because of the sunset we got going on, right? The sunset, man. Let's just sit here, have a moment of silence for man buns and the shorters, the people that were just or the people that just gave up and rage quit, because many did. We know that. And now some are back, but most are not back yet. And they will be back once these altcoins, M shapes at value perceived areas play out. Once Filecoin's back 950, HOT's up, all these other ones, once they're up higher, the scrubs will be back. And we will just laugh at them and say, get completely effing destroyed. Your joke. All right, the sun is now touching the horizon, and it is beautiful. It really is. Thank you for being here with me for another sunset. We had one yesterday. We have one today. If you don't know why, one of my monitors, monitor number 3, passed away, and waiting on a replacement. So I can't really use my battle station till that's done, you know, unless I want to deal with a bunch of headaches and bull crap. Just waiting. I don't think there's anything wrong with having a couple of sunset streams with y'all. I'm Ben Affleck. I'm Batman. I'm Batman, man. Okay. Is that what you were waiting for? This is Q&A. You can ask me anything until the sun sets, and then back to charts. Great speeches. Remember, chat, as was something we say all the time over the years, when opportunity presents itself, it is far too late to prepare. The scrubs are about to find out what that really means. Why, Vamp? You interested, bro? Good. Is VeChain doing things? Or when is VeChain doing things? I don't know. Probably when others are... some random day. It'll be, oh, it's the VeChain show. Okay. I play linebacker, R-Pink. Do I go to the beach? Yes, I go to the beach. Come on, you have a little bit more time to ask me anything before the sun sets and it's all over. No, we cannot look at Elephant Coin. Yes, I am in Florida. I am not a Florida Panthers fan. No. Why always playing Sandstorm?
I do remember ZRX. Ah, the awesome skyline of Grebo.
That's right. The Greenbow, Alabama skyline on the horizon. The beautiful economy, the thriving, community and economy of Greenbow. One of the largest cities in America, in the world. A lot of booming industry going to Greenbow, Alabama. Okay. All right, the sun is setting. It's almost gone, and it is gone. There, it's gone, chat. No, I still see a little bit of it, and it's over. All right. So back to the other stream. Yeah, I just fix this webcam real quick, though. I need to be so zoomed in, dude. Don't be dramatic, man. Oof. Beautiful, though. Nice. Dang it, dude. This is tough, man. Messing between the exposure and the gain. That is the key to this stuff. You lower the exposure, you gotta shoot up the gain. And even when you do that, I'm still like a silhouette. It's a joke. Yeah, it's kind of got to be like that for now. When it gets nighttime, it'll get easier. Okay. Let's see here. I'm checking my notes. So that was Dog with Hat Coin for Crypto Bravo. SPA for InPay. I guess SPA is an S coin, of course. Spirax. I have no memory of this place. He got in literally here. There. Congratulations. You're in an uptrend. Looks like maybe a... I don't know, man. Is it an M shape? Could be. Like, someone could make an argument about this being an 886. Like maybe an 886 in the uptrend. Yep, certainly 886. Look, 1.1 cents right there. Let me see. It'd be harder to manage risk here. There are a couple high. That's a zone. Yeah, that's a zone right there. So I think anything above that level, you're in good shape for higher prices eventually. There's probably some pretty nice divergence going on right here based on the low, the lower low, the slightly lower low, right? There, the triple bullish divergence. You don't even have to know it's there to know it's there, right? Like by seeing it, triple bullish divergence on this one. You know, it's kind of like, all right, we got ourselves maybe a wedge, down sloping price contraction, something like that, you know. Yeah, I think anything above 1.1 cents, you're solid for higher prices. They are trying to defend that, and sellers are exhausted in the uptrend. So if it goes higher, you can't be really surprised. It is impending price action reversal implied here. All right. And that is all we have. Thank you, InPay. You know, sometimes things are good, sometimes they're not. This doesn't really have a confirmation low. It's just nice divergence here. I bet it looks good on the 12-hour too. Let's see, next request would be big time, big joke time. Sitting here, you know, bullish engulfing candle 2 days ago. Got some follow through yesterday. Some nice divergence. Same type of consolidation structure, like this little pennant, whatever, down at the basement. You know, probably going to go higher. Probably going to follow the collective macro, which would be Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the alts. I mean, I think there's probably upside to 23 cents at least. Just that high there. They run that up. Cool. Yeah, this one got literally neutered, dude. There's some sort of drug that these guys, these composite, I mean, whoever they are, the developers, the owners of this coin, they steered off. They're different than all these other ones, man. They rugged it hardcore, man. Harder than many others. So can't know which ones are going to do that. This one of these newer jokes. You got to be weary of it, right? Stick with the ones, you know, oh, this one existed last cycle. All right, you know, probably better. Engine, Hot, Cardano, right? This one's new. So the devs are probably like 15 years old selling their scam coin. I don't know what happened. All right. Not the best at all. But yeah, it's certainly the basement. 99% loss for sure. And no one's buying really right now. So cool. Let's go to YFI. Man, it's like what they're doing pretty much right now, just to be real, they're pretty much doing this. You're confirming accumulation still. Just 84 years of it, okay? I mean, technically it played out. You know, that's it. Like it did that very fast in November, and it's just been dead ever since. But if they put in a second low, I mean, because, you know, as long as these lows are higher than this low, that means more than before. And the big thing about YFI, like the level of all levels, is $7,453. You can clearly see how close the price is to that. If they can break that, that's where you could see major upside. So you want to have your alert set up on YFI above that, because above that is where serious price action could occur. I mean, you could run up to $10,000 in a day above 7,453. There's just not much here. 11,000 to 14,000. And if it's like this, if it's set up like this, where all this is occurring, this is a major bottoming base. This is not bad. It's just the Andromeda Galaxy awaits, but it might be 6 months to a year. You gonna wait? I don't know, man. That's a bottoming base, and that is the trend slowly reversing, churning. Long term, probably higher prices. SH Sleeves, thanks again for the 50. Leroy Jenkins. Every time, you know, someone tips 50, it's mandatory Leroy Jenkins, whether it's a sound clip or not. If I have to do it myself, I will. Thank you. Carl H wants ton. Again, I don't even know what ton is. Ton coin, of course. What a joke, man. Could you look at ton coin? Thought you misspelled Tron. No, nothing to do here. Just near all-time highs. Sure. Like, whatever. Like, whatever, man. That was a big level. There's not much left now. It's like you're up here testing highs. No clue, dude. No edge. No way to strategize and manage your risk appropriately in situations like this. There's nothing really to do. Technically, hidden bearish divergence, where you made a high on price with a close and a lower high with much higher.
You know how easy this is for me? Do you have any idea how easy this is? This is a joke.
Thank you. It's Mama Ivy. Oh my God. Can we just freaking get somebody in the chat?
Mama Ivy tipped $500. Did someone is from Mama Ivy? I back ya scrubs. Mitch. Also check out Pulse Chain. This was Dex Screener. Earned the $500 today. Flexed bicep.
Profit taking levels on
Pulse
dollar
chain.
Bitcoin. I recognized a good entry at 9 cents thanks to what is
Whoa,
taught
whoa.
here.
9 cents on Bitcoin. Yeah, that was a good entry. Congratulations, TA Exhibit. We'll look more into that. Thank you for the 2020. But Mama Ivy, thank you so much for the 500. He wants some Pulse Chain. You could give the viewing audience a goal like you've done before, right? I don't know. Whatever. It's dead today. It's pathetic, man. It's just like these scrubs will be back, dude. You'll see. Once these altcoins play out and go up and we keep making all this money, the jokes will be back, okay? All right. Yeah, well, I'll try. I'll do my best, man, on my travel setup here. Sure. It's so weird having to adjust. Priming up for nighttime, I guess. Wow. Not easy. Wow, my nerves, man. You're freaking me out a little bit. Thank you. Yes, we will do our thing. Let's just keep it rolling. Ton. Again, up here, you can't do anything. There's no framework you can apply that will help you. You can't do anything. I just, you know, 480 is a level that maybe is a support. If they test that, maybe you can strategize down there, entry and stop loss. But until then,
be nice to the scrubs. They provide us exit liquidity.
Bobbit, thank you for the bobbits, dude. Don't get wrecked. Thanks. Lord, man. I don't know how to make this better. Hold on, let me turn a light on now. Now we got lights on. I don't know if you can see me better. Yeah, maybe a little bit better. Not great. Yeah, Mom Ivy. Enjoy indeed. All right, we got to move on from this one. This is just not
May
good.
your monitor rest in peace. / bye please.
0 to infinity. Thanks to 20 dudes. Hit the like button for his contribution, his first contribution of the stream ever. Thank you, dudes. Much love. We'll keep Keep it rolling. After, I don't know, Takai for Satan Slayer. Oh my God. Talking about T-Chain? Wait. T-Chai, T-K. Look, I did it. Where is it? Yeah, get wrecked, dude. I don't know. Because it's not showing up at all. Sin Slayer, come on, dude. You know the drill, right? There's, oh, there it is. To cat. Dude, come on, man. What? No. Just no tech cat. I'm gonna have to just move on, Satan Slayer. Figure it out, bro. Jim Morrison, I don't know why I didn't see that. 690. Alright, I'm gonna do my best here. Oh my God, dude. Alright, we're gonna do the... Here we go. The thing that I could never figure out. PLS. Which one is it? Because I don't have it saved on this one. Pulse chain. Deck screener. Pulse chain. Pulse chain. Here we go again, dude. Put in WPLS, wrapped pulse. Okay. Is that it? T exhibit, is that it? On my view? Yeah, I don't know, dude. This is so tough. I guess this is it. Let's go with this one, maybe. Gosh dang, of course that's not it. Is it? Maybe it is it. I don't know. Oh, here we go. WPLS to die. This is every time, man. Like, oh, God. And then you type it in, and then it doesn't generate. It's such a joke, man. How do you deal with this garbage, man? Nice job. Nice effing game. This is me working for it. $500 contribution. Is this one it? No, dude, this isn't the real one. This isn't the real one, bro. This is the fake one. Dude, you just don't understand, bro. This is the one? Wow, well, this is a... Oh, okay. Yeah, oh, look, another rug. Congrats, dude. Maybe a high or low. It's a shark pattern, an X, an A, a B, a C, and a D. Probably going to do an 886 here, so... So 886 would take us... Well, we're pretty much at the 886, I guess. A little bit lower, maybe like 4.9 100ths with thousandths of a penny. I think you might be there. I don't know. Just have fun, man. Go give a Louis Vuitton bag to the developer, okay? All right, I can't keep it rolling, man. I gotta move on. Okay, we gotta look at TechCat because y'all are requesting the most Bush League stuff, man. 0 to infinity. Thanks for the 20. Yes, we'll look at WBI. TA Exhibit. Profit take levels on Bitcoin. Is Bitcoin BTC is not Bitcoin apparently, according to the internet. Okay, you bought at 9 cents. Congrats. Soon Bitcoin will be in price discovery, and all the scrubs will show back up, and we'll tell them to get destroyed. Okay, all of them, everyone that's showing up late to this party when Bitcoin breaks out. They're only here because Bitcoin's breaking out.
Can you take a look at $RGTI again? I requested it a few weeks back and looks like it might be heading back for the type 2. Can you go over the framework and how one would strategize entry here? Begin to scale in or wait for consolidation? TX.
Yeah, dude. Yeah, we'll look at it. Okay.
May your monitor rest in
this
peace.
thing sucks.
/ buy please.
Yes, we will take gander. All right. Dang. Looking better. Oh, Harry Potter. Oh my God, dude. Why? Like, why y'all waiting? Y'all like wait until, yeah, it was, there it is again, man. It did it. It literally did it. The M shape, classic accumulation structure after it completes. And there you go. I'm gonna start my own wizard. What? I already have one. Join the Patreon/Citadel to join Harry Potter world. Okay, we use wands, we use magical spells to get what we want, man. Type in the chat for what probably is gonna happen is just going out on a limb here to think that Harry Potter, Sonic, Obama, Inu coin will break out and go to 25 cents again, break it, and probably see 50 cents at some point because psychological, and it's just because it's so stupid, right? Remember, everything that's stupid is happening. So that will probably happen here again. That's a beautiful M shape, more than before again. It's a dream, certainly. Okay. Thanks again, TA Exhibit, WBIA. Why, dude? Why? Why? Fab, that's fantastic, man. I'm glad you like it. Thank you for supporting the community. Is this really what you want? Wrapped balance AI? It's bottom end. I mean, it doesn't. I mean, just looking at it, don't you want to always see an 886? If you see like an M shape that's like this, you always want the 886 because then it's like let there be no doubt. So that means no, the bottom's not in and lower to go. Like 886 is right there. No. It's not. Maybe they hold that level, but I would be really cautious. Like the bad action magnet move has occurred. But 60%, I mean, maybe it's a Gartley. Have fun. Maybe it holds. If they get it above 826, yeah, you're probably going to confirm a bottom and run. But like until then, I would hold off, right? Like, see, you're not even at a 786 yet. So even if it was a Gartley, you'd have to see 587. So it's a big no until better levels. And that doesn't mean it can't go higher soon. I'm just saying, like, right, you're coming in here requesting an asset, and we want a framework always. So we're not just flipping coins with a blindfold on. That's what happens when you go to the casino. Without the framework, you are just flipping coins. You just are at the casino just hitting the slot machines, putting it on black or red. That's all you're doing when you don't have the variables that you want on a chart. So you don't have them. And I don't really give a crap what it does next because it's a freaking coin flip. Thank you, dude. RGTI, oof, man, can't catch a bid, can it? They rejected that 200 moving average. You're down here, you're possibly working on type 2, but They don't keep the. I mean, I'm kind of a little concerned about the bearish back test of the key level. What was once resistance, 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 support, has flipped to resistance. I mean, I would prefer 66 cents. That would be a dream to me. You get down to these levels, I'd be a lot happier. Yeah, it's not really looking great. I mean, you might be trying to see, like, that's the thing. From this low to high here, the 88% retrace is closer to this inflection point from 2022. I'd prefer it really at 66 to 70 cents. See price action correlate positively there. Up here, it's just kind of weird. You're holding up at, I mean, I know it's possibly a Gartley, but maybe, look, dude, if the bids come in soon, you could say it's a type 2 return in the making, but it's just, we'll see. Keep your eye on it, right? 1 and then 2. The divergence would certainly develop if it started reversing here. So, yeah, maybe just keep your eye on it, but you can't really take action yet until you see some sort of signal candle and see some real divergence, because there could be a lot more downside. I just, not the best, man. I'm looking for assets that are completing these M shapes, type 2 returning at supports, and it just so happens right now we got that, and it's just happening in crypto. Forget your Rigotti. What about your engine coin? What about your freaking DOT, man? These not good enough? You just got to get cute? This is it. Like, the comet, the S-Coin comet is here, visible to the naked eye. All right, man. Got through the requests. Easy enough, right? My God, dude, DOT looks set up for much higher prices. Everyone requesting all these tepid off-brand jokes, and it's like, why? You're wasting your time. The framework is there, and I'm here just hand-delivering it to you. And we've been here. What are you going to do when DOT hits $10? Thanks, bro. What are you going to do when engine goes up and hits? Whichever one, like it matters. 47 cents, 61 cents. It's stupid upside. It's, 30%. 55. 70% upside. What are you going to do when Altcoin hits $9.50 again? What are you going to do when Coin hits 18 cents, 19 cents? What are you going to do when Loop Ring hits 48 cents? Hopefully you're going to take profit. You're going to say, all right, I got it, man. DOT sucks, though. Based on what? No, DOT has an impeccable technical development. How could you even say that? Like, I don't even know what DOT does. I don't care. All I care about is trend and structure developments and where those structures are developing and completing. It's at key inflection points, and the price action is favorable. Buyers are recapturing, reconfirming the validity of these areas as support, engulfing candles, necklines breaking, 200 moving averages being recaptured. I'm looking at that stuff. I don't care what DOT does. No one cares. These are beanie babies. We are trading these assets. This is all we have. There's no way to prove or articulate the value of these assets. So the only framework we have is technicals. This is it. This is all we have. There's no earnings per coin, price to earnings, right? There is none of that. But we have the technicals, psychology of the buyers and sellers.
Hey Mitchie, hood looking like it's about to run like Christ rising from the grave. What do you think?
Hood looks fine, dude. Wyckoff accumulation, phase E. Yeah, $33 eventually. Given enough time. Thank you, Greg. You know the rules if you want like a formal request. Dash, same stuff, man, right? It's trash. Dude, this is trash. But guess what? Is it really trash if you can manage your risk appropriately and then take profit after making 27% on your position or higher? $56 eventually. Higher lows more than before, higher highs. Wow. Yeah. Cardano was there. I mean, it's a joke too, bro. Just saying. But they have recaptured a key level. They back tested it. You got upside, man. It happened, dude. Oh wow, man, the sky is beautiful. Is that not crazy looking out there? I love it, man. Let's go full screen. Wow, and now it's like getting grainy because all that exposure, too much exposure. I don't know. Dang, it's grainy.
Hey Mitch, can you look at it?
Can I what? Greg, we have rules. Thank you so much for the 3rd super chat ever on stream. Just a rule, you know, it's $20 requests always. It's just the way it is. Thank you. Oh man, that TV. Hold on.
Mitchy doing me dirty with the request limit. Feels bad, man. Skeptical blesses up.
How am I doing you dirty, dude? I'm treating you like everyone else, man. Figure you would prefer that. No preferential treatment. Man, what a freaking sunset. I'm glad it's looking good, man. We had some storms earlier.
My bad, here's another 10 in Plaza.
B Ned, thank you, dude. Bitcoin highs of the new day. Live in the chat. All right. Let's look. B-Ned. Barnes & Noble. Oh my god, dude. That's still going on? Holy crap, man. Wow, what a winner. Barnes & Noble. It's a never, ever own. Like, Marco, like, what a stupid question to ask. Or, I don't get why people ask this guy. Here, it's the this guy chatter. He's back. This guy, bro. Who is this guy? Who does he think he is? You're like in my live stream, watching me, and then you're just gonna say that. Like, why are you watching the stream, man? You can just like turn it off. You don't know how, bro. These people, it's like the dumbest thing. This thing never wins. It's it always loses. It's in a terrible trend. Yeah, you might have a 113 shark. There might be a reaction. It's going to manifest into a lower low, a lower high, a lower low. Right? You got a shark. It's up here. $113. You're not even at a 113. My God. Yeah, I don't care. You don't own it, man. You just don't own garbage like this. Terrible trend. Nothing to do. Yeah, you could run a sled on it. Yeah, that's right. Crazy. An ND filter? I don't know what an ND filter is. Okay. Don't know. You don't know why they ask my opinion. I don't know, man. Yeah. I don't know why you're watching the stream. All right. So, yeah. We got through the requests, man. That's about it. Okay, Bitcoin's just right at 70K. Any day above 70K is a good day to me. We still got some work to do. Got to break through 71.3, 71.8, and then after that, 73.9.
Hood, please, you handsome bastard. God bless.
Thank you. Yeah. Hood. Right now. Thank you, Greg. Neutral density filter. I don't know. Would it work on a Logitech Brio though? Hood, you know, the bull flag breakout. Highest daily candle close since December 2021. Yeah.
Can you look at Hershey? I like white chocolate. Is that even chocolate? Also, I wish you could play the requested music Thunderstorm, Boris. It's climbing music. PS I had super loaded on B und N because I believe publishing lol good I need a job again.
You super loaded on Barnes & Noble shares because you believe publishing you need a job again. I'm confused straight. That's a lot of words, man. That is somewhat of a sentence. Appreciate it, dude. Yeah, thank you for the 21. We'll look at Hershey's, sure. Hood, yeah, again, man, like 26 was the measured move of the bull flag breakout. But, you know, these things can turn into like slightly higher highs and roll over and come test 15 again. But, I mean, you were in better shape, way lower for higher prices. This was set up. You know, it was Wyckoff accumulation, and now you're just in phase E of it, which is the markup phase, and there's just no resistance here till $33. You could just own it, continue to own it, and wait, and that would definitely be a target. There's just nothing really else. Of course, B and ED could have a short squeeze. Of course, man. I'm not, like, again, it's like eternal lower highs, lower lows. Short squeezes come, man. That's great. I just wouldn't touch it. I would just, aren't there other assets out there that are better? They just are, yes. Better trends, better setups, able to manage risk, all the things.
My bad, Mitch. A tech on Msft.
Oh, okay. You misspelled it from before. I'm trying to bottom it out a little bit. These things are just so high. I mean, there's no 886 really. If you want, man, don't you think, like, have a stop loss below 15.8 cents somewhere marginally and let it ride? I mean, you don't have much here. You got this, I guess. Maybe a breakout watch. Like, it's like there are multiple altcoins showing the same thing, where it's like a descending triangle, but it's just consolidation. And what we've seen with Ethereum, buyers for the third time defended it. And a huge markup occurred after. So this is why you have no expectations. You never act like you know, even if there's distribution going on and they keep retesting it, it can break upward just like it can break downward. So AI Tech, you are safe above 15.8 cents, okay? That's the cutoff, maybe below 15 cents. All right? Harry Potter ETF incoming, dude. Yep. All right, Hershey, which it's been a minute. Pretty much ended up doing it, man. Wow. I mean, they just came for one more check back. That'll happen. Still, no harm, no foul. That 182 level was defended again. And now, you know, up elevated. Highest prices since September of last year. Above 201. It could be Wyckoff accumulation, maybe. Yeah, you're going to have to go test 213. If they can break that, pretty easy ride to 230. That'd be a common retrace, too, from the high down there, up there, to the low down here. Yeah. So I guess your cutoff would... See, the thing is, the cutoff 201, but, like, they could do something like this, and it would still be fine. This thing could go to 190 and put in its highest low, and that tends to happen. The backup, the BU. Yeah, I just, you know, hard, like when an asset has a run up, see, you're trying to buy as low as possible, right? At supports, as close to supports as possible. When you have run ups like this, you kind of, and you request it, you're kind of leaving me like, what can I do? Like, they're like buying now is flipping coins and could be limited on your short term upside because of the wave up here. So it pulls back and we get our highest low. It might be better, we get hidden bullish divergence on the highest low. Yeah, come back when we're pulling back. But this is just elevated off a low here. Second low. You can't really do anything strategically in this situation. Dang, Marco, you got like a fragile ego, I can tell. You want people to pay you for your opinion, and that's why you're so mad. Got it. See, chat, you see that? He finally showed his hand. You should be paying Marco Monodragon for his analysis. Not me. Got it, though. Wow. See, it's Nvda. Nvda was the motivator for this guy. That guy. All right. We haven't seen 69K yet for the back test. Not yet, man. Maybe we will. But man, these altcoins just looking so prime. These are great. This is a great environment for the altcoins. Like Bitcoin goes sideways, maybe pulls back some, while some of these altcoins just go berserk off their lows. Good environment. All right, y'all. So, been live for an hour and 40 minutes. And, dang, man. It's been a good stream, but just like a hangover stream from yesterday. It was just so crazy, wasn't it? That's so crazy, dude. I don't know why it's grainy. Well, anyway. Good times. Thank y'all for coming out. We were in between 69K and 71.3, 2 levels. And yeah, we'll just reassess tomorrow, this evening, whatever. And I'll just be back. So thank you all for the likes, love, support, contributions, everything in between. So until next time, respect, T-A.
Most people are just just shake. They just follow what everyone else does.
I always love the stream, man. I get a lot from it. There's the idea I got from your stream weeks ago. I love turtles. Jonathan Nation all day.
Thank you so much for the Jonathan Turtle straight. Thanks for 20, man. Is that a joint? It's just Jonathan. Hi in the chat. Bob. Cakes.
You go follow the sheep, but it's always going to take you down the most crowded road in life. Go in the opposite direction. Chances are always going to be better. And quicker and more efficient. Than following what every other person doing, because they're only doing it because they see everyone else doing it in the first place. What you gonna do? You gonna come closer? You gonna stare forever? Do you wanna get to know me? Get your confidence up. We only got tonight. DJ's putting the heat. You better do this right. We've all got our own ways, our own methods, the things that keep us going. Keep us breathing. What you gonna do? You gonna come closer? You gonna stare forever? Do you wanna get to know me? Get your confidence